check the new toilet handle by running it through a few complete flush cycles and watching how each component moves. Begin by lifting and releasing the handle slowly to observe the arm and chain connection. The arm should move smoothly and return to level without hesitation. Next, trigger a full flush and listen for any grinding or scraping that indicates misalignment between the handle arm and the tank lever. Check that the flapper lifts fully and seats cleanly after the flush. A partially lifted flapper wastes water and signals incorrect chain length. Test the handle 5 times in a row to reveal intermittent sticking or binding that only appears after repeated use. If the handle feels loose, tighten the mounting nut from inside the tank while holding the handle in the correct resting position to avoid overclocking the mechanism. Finally, if the arm contacts the tank wall or trim, bend it gently outward or shorten the chain 1 link at a time until the motion is unobstructed and consistent. Common mistakes include leaving the chain too slack, so the flapper does not lift fully, which you fix by shortening the chain until there is a slight slack when the flapper is resting. Another issue is over-tightening the mounting nut so the handle binds, which you correct by loosening the nut just enough for free but firm movement. A third frequent problem is the arm rubbing the tank or lid, solved by repositioning or reshaping the arm so its path is clear and repeating flush tests until the motion is clean. We run BigHomeProjects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to give contractors exposure to nearby jobs related to repairs like handle replacement. Our discussion community lets users share experiences, ask questions, and get practical tips from other homeowners and service providers.